Imagine a charming outdoor haven, bathed in dappled sunlight and adorned with climbing vines. This enchanting space can be yours with the introduction of a pergola, a delightful garden feature that adds both beauty and functionality to your backyard. At its core, a pergola is a structure with vertical posts that support a roof made of open beams or a lattice. This open design allows for light and air to flow freely, while still offering some welcome shade. Think of it as an outdoor extension of your living space, inviting you to relax and unwind in a picturesque setting. Pergolas come in all shapes and sizes, from freestanding sanctuaries to extensions of your home, leading you to a patio or pool area. They can be grand and elaborate, or simple and understated, depending on your personal style and the overall design of your outdoor space. Think of accessorizing your pergola like decorating a room. It's all about adding elements that enhance its beauty, comfort, and functionality. Light up the night. String lights are a classic and easy way to create a magical ambience. Drape them across the beams for a twinkling canopy effect, perfect for evening gatherings. You can also explore installing solar lights or hanging lanterns for a touch of warmth. Unleash the greenery. Pergolas and plants go hand in hand. Climbing vines like wisteria or clematis can be trained to weave across the beams, creating a living roof that provides natural shade and a touch of fairy tale charm. Hanging planters filled with colorful blooms or cascading greenery add a pop of color and soften the pergola's structure. Furnish for function. Comfy furniture is a must for creating an inviting space. Consider placing a cozy outdoor couch and chairs for relaxing, or a dining table and chairs for al fresco meals. Ottomans and throw pillows add an extra layer of comfort, making your pergola the ultimate spot to unwind. Embrace the fabrics. Sheer curtains or fabric panels can add a touch of whimsy and privacy. They can be easily drawn back to enjoy the view or closed for a more intimate setting. Consider using weather-resistant outdoor fabrics that can withstand the elements. In today's video, we explored 35 pergola design ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a functional and beautiful haven. From classic wooden structures to modern metal designs, there's a pergola style waiting to complement your home and match your personal taste. I hope this visual journey ignited your creativity and helped you envision your dream pergola. But remember, the most important ingredient is your own unique style. Don't be afraid to add personal touches and customize your pergola to reflect your personality. Whether you envision it as a place for entertaining friends and family, a peaceful retreat for relaxation, or a combination of both, the possibilities are endless. If you found inspiration in these ideas, give us a thumbs up and share your favorite design in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Hopeful Decor for more creative decorating tips and ideas. Until next time, keep making your home a hopeful haven.